Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm Srinidhi, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell to get all the latest news and updates from my channel. Actress Priyanka Chopra has always been a major provider of beauty hacks that can be easily made at homes. She loves using natural and homemade scrubs, face packs, hair packs, etc. So today in this video, I'm gonna share Priyanka Chopra's lip scrub that she prepares herself with all the available ingredients at home, which will help you to get rid of chapped or flaky lips and also helps you to give plumper and fuller lips. So without a further delay, let's get into the video. In one of her interviews, Priyanka Chopra revealed that lips are one of her prominent feature, and also she shared how she takes care of her lips. She generally uses this DIY lip scrub to get rid of that dead skin or the chapped lips and to get the plumper and fuller lips. So come, let's see how to prepare this super amazing lip scrub. To prepare this lip scrub, Priyanka Chopra uses sea salt, then she adds some vegetable glycerin, next few drops of rose water, then you just need to mix all of these ingredients, and she tells that the ingredients depends on the size of your lips. The lip scrub is ready, and just apply all over your lips and scrub it in a circular motion. So this scrub helps you to gently exfoliate your lips and to get rid of dry and flaky lips and gives you the hydrated and soft and plumper lips. So I absolutely love this lip scrub. So it was that simple to make this lip scrub, and I absolutely love this DIY lip scrub, and I've been using this lip scrub for months now and I absolutely love it. And thank you Priyanka for suggesting us this wonderful lip scrub. So definitely do try this lip scrub and you will definitely see some results. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you super soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.